Hey guys, here is today's stock news. IPO's highlight from day 2. Cartrade IPO was subscribed 0.99 times at the end of day 2 of bidding. The IPO received bids for 1.28 crore shares against an offer of 1.29 crore shares. Retail investors subscribed to the issue 1.53 times the reserve portion. Nuvoco Vistas IPO was subscribed 0.29 times at the end of day 2 of bidding. The IPO received bids for 1.82 crore shares against an offer of 6.25 crore shares. Retail investors subscribed to the issue 0.51 times the reserve portion. Highlight from day 1 of new IPOs. Camplast and Aptus Value Housing Finance. Camplast Sanmar IPO was subscribed 0.16 times at the end of day 1 of bidding. The IPO received bids for 64.48 lakh shares against an offer of 3.99 crore shares. Retail investors subscribed to the issue 0.84 times the reserve portion. Aptus Value Housing Finance IPO was subscribed 0.24 times at the end of day 1 of bidding. The IPO received bids for 1.30 crore shares against an offer of 5.51 crore shares. Retail investors subscribed to the issue 0.33 times the reserve portion. Telecom sector. The government may assist the troubled telecom sector according to a media report. A few of the measures include a floor price for services, an interest-free moratorium on spectrum payments and encashment of bank guarantees. The move comes amidst the mounting troubles at Vodafone Idea and the call for long overdue support by Bharti Airtel. Zomato reported a net loss of Rs 356 crore in the June quarter of 2021 compared to a loss of Rs 99.8 crore in the year-ago period due to higher expenses. Coal India reported a consolidated net profit of Rs 3,169.85 crores during the April to June quarter of 2021, a 52.4% increase as compared to the same period last year. Revenue stood at Rs 25,282.15 crores, recording a 37% rise as compared to Rs 18,487 crores in the June quarter of 2020. Vodafone Idea has filed a review petition in the Supreme Court seeking a review of its July 23 order that dismissed the petition of telecom firms for a computation of AGR dues. Power Grid reported a consolidated net profit of Rs 5,998.28 crore in the June quarter as compared to Rs 2,048.42 crore in the year-ago period. Total income increased to Rs 10,391.61 crore in the June quarter from Rs 9,816.72 crore in the same period a year ago. Mahindra & Mahindra announced that it's recalling around 29,000 units of its pickup vehicles manufactured between January 2020 and February 2021 to replace faulty fluids pipes. Tech Mahindra Makers Lab, the research and development wing of Tech Mahindra, is expecting to begin trials for a COVID-19 drug in the next 3 to 4 months after receiving the patent for a particular molecule. Yes Bank has appointed Mahesh Ramamurthy as a Chief Information Officer. He was earlier leading the payments vertical for Europe, Asia, Pacific, Middle East and Africa at FIS Corporation. GMR Infrastructure's board will meet on 13 August to consider raising funds of up to Rs 6,000 crore in one or more tranches via the issue of securities including the QIP and or foreign currency convertible bonds. Ratan India Enterprises is set to make a strategic investment in the US-based Matternet, an urban drone logistics platform. The company may enter the drone industry with this investment. Vedanta Group Chairman Anil Agarwal mentioned that the company is planning to invest $20 billion across its businesses in future. Banking stocks. From October 1 onwards, the Reserve Bank of India has decided to penalize banks in their case. Their ATMs remain out of cash for a total period of 10 hours in a month. To receive the daily stock updates, subscribe the channel. Thank you.